You're doing it wrong. Every rep you're grinding out at the gym, every dollar you're spending on weights and memberships, you're actually leaving strength on the table. And I know that sounds insane because we've been taught our entire lives that lifting heavier equals getting stronger. But what if everything we've been told about building real functional strength is backwards? Here's something that'll blow your mind. Navy SEALs, who need strength that lasts through missions. Gymnasts who can hold positions that seem impossible. Physical therapists who rebuild people from serious injuries. They all have one thing in common, and it's not what you think. They understand something about building real, lasting, injury-proof strength that most people grinding away in commercial gyms have completely forgotten. It's a training method so effective that when you need to build strength without destroying your joints, this is what works. When you want functional power that translates to real life, this is the answer. I'm talking about bodyweight training done right. And before you scroll away thinking push-ups are for beginners, let me show you something. 5 exercises, 25 minutes, 3 times a week. That's all it takes to completely transform your strength, your posture, and how your body moves. No gym membership, no equipment costs, no excuses. By the end of this video, you're going to understand why your own body weight might be the most powerful training tool you'll ever use. Number 1, the dead hang. The shoulder health secret nobody talks about. Let me ask you something. When's the last time you hung from something? Not as a kid on the playground, but as an adult. For most people, the answer is never. And here's the problem. Your shoulders are designed to hang. Look at any child on monkey bars, any athlete climbing a rope. Their shoulders move freely, without pain, through their full range of motion. Now look at most adults over 40. Rounded shoulders, forward head posture, shoulder pain when reaching overhead. We've lost the ability to use our shoulders the way they were designed. The dead hang fixes this, and it's going to reveal weaknesses you didn't know you had. So here's how you do this. Find a pull-up bar, a sturdy tree branch, anything that can support your body weight. Grip it with your hands, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Now just hang. Let your body weight pull your shoulders down and decompress your spine. Don't grip so hard your forearms explode. Find a grip that you can sustain. And here's what's happening that makes this so powerful. Gravity is creating traction in your spine. Every vertebra is getting space. Your shoulder joints are being pulled into their sockets, strengthening all the small stabilizing muscles that prevent injury. Your grip is being forged under real load. 20 seconds in, your forearms start burning. 30 seconds in, your shoulders feel the stretch. 45 seconds in, you understand why most people can't do this. And that's exactly where the transformation happens. Because here's what's really going on. When you hang, you're reversing years of desk work, years of hunching over phones, years of your shoulders rolling forward. You're teaching your body what proper shoulder position feels like. In regular shoulder exercises at the gym, you're isolating muscles. In the dead hang, everything works together. Your lats engage, your core stabilizes, your entire upper body learns to support itself. Start with 20 seconds if that's all you can do. Don't feel weak, that's your starting point. Next time, push for 25, then 30, work up to a full minute. 3 sets of that, and you're building shoulders that move pain-free and grip strength that transfers to everything you do. Number 2, deficit reverse lunges. The knee-saving leg builder. Quick question. You know how your knees hurt after heavy squats? How they crack when you stand up from sitting? That's your body telling you something is wrong. But here's what nobody tells you. The problem isn't weakness. It's how you're training. Here's the truth most people don't understand. Forward lunges, regular squats, they all put shearing force on your knees. Your knee pushes forward past your toes. That's stress building up day after day until something gives. Deficit reverse lunges fix this. And when you do them right, they're absolutely brutal on your legs while being gentle on your joints. Let me show you the difference. Stand on a step, a box, anything 4 to 6 inches high. Now step backward off the platform with one leg, landing on the ball of your foot. Lower yourself down until your back knee nearly touches the ground. Your front knee stays right over your ankle, no forward pressure, no joint stress. All the work is happening in your glutes, your quads, your hamstrings. Feel that. Every muscle in your leg is now firing. Your glutes are controlling the descent. Your quads are stabilizing your front leg. Your core is keeping you upright. This is what functional leg strength actually means. In real life, you don't sit in a machine and push with both legs at once. You step upstairs one leg at a time. You get up from a chair on one leg, you stabilize when someone bumps into you. This exercise builds that real-world strength. But here's where people get tricked. They rush through the reps, they don't go deep enough. They let their front knee collapse inward. Stop doing that. Lower yourself slowly. Take 3 full seconds on the way down. Feel every inch of that range of motion. At the bottom, pause for 1 second. Then drive through your front heel, push yourself back up to the platform. Start with body weight only. 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. When that feels manageable, hold dumbbells. Or add a pause at the bottom. Want next level? Slow down the lowering phase to 5 seconds and watch your legs shake. Do this consistently and your knee pain disappears. Your balance skyrockets and you build legs that look powerful and are powerful. Number 3, bear crawls. The full body strength test nobody's ready for. Here's a question. What's the one exercise that works your shoulders, your core, your legs, and your cardiovascular system all at the same time? If you're thinking burpees, you're wrong. I'm talking about bear crawls. And if you've never done them properly, you're about to discover muscles you forgot existed. Get down on your hands and knees. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Now lift your knees 2 inches off the ground. That's it, just 2 inches. You should be on your hands and the balls of your feet. Your back is flat, your core is braced like someone's about to hit you in the stomach. Feel that shake starting already. We haven't even moved yet. Now crawl forward, right hand and left foot move together. Then left hand and right foot. This cross-body pattern is everything. It's how humans are designed to move. It's what builds coordination and full-body integration that no machine can replicate. Here's why this matters. When you crawl, there's no rest. Your shoulders are supporting your body weight continuously. Your core is preventing rotation with every step. Your legs are driving you forward while staying low. And here's what makes this absolutely brutal. You can't cheat. If your hips pike up, you're not doing it right. If your knees touch the ground, you're resting. If you move too fast, you lose control. We spend our entire lives moving in straight lines, standing upright, never challenging our bodies to work in different positions. Bear crawls remind your body how to move in ways that build real, functional strength. This is the foundation for everything. Want stronger shoulders for overhead presses? Crawl. Want a bulletproof core? Crawl. Want conditioning that doesn't destroy your joints? Crawl. Start with 20 seconds forward, rest. Then 20 seconds backward. That's 1 set. Do 3 sets, and you'll understand why this simple movement humbles everyone. Work up to 30 seconds, then 45. Want to make it harder? Crawl sideways. Crawl in circles. Every direction challenges your body differently. Now here's something most people don't realize. You can do all these exercises perfectly, but if you're dealing with chronic joint pain, stiff hips, or that nagging lower back pain that won't quit, you're missing the foundation. I spent years fighting through pain until I discovered a simple system that eliminated those aches and honestly made me feel like I'd reversed aging by a decade. That's exactly why I created Reboot Your Body. It's a step-by-step program that shows you how to move pain-free, bend down without wincing, and play with your kids or grandkids without worrying about your back or knees giving out. If you're serious about feeling younger and moving better, the link is in the description below. This is the missing piece that makes everything else work. All right, let's keep building that foundation. Speaking of exercises that build serious upper body strength while being gentle on your joints, let me show you something that'll transform your shoulders. Number 4, Pike Pushups, the shoulder builder that beats the overhead press. Drop into a downward dog position. Hands on the ground, feet on the ground, hips high in the air, forming an inverted V. Now here's where it gets interesting. Walk your hands slightly closer to your feet until your weight shifts forward onto your shoulders. You should feel like you're almost vertical. Freeze there for a second and feel what's happening. Your shoulders are now supporting most of your body weight in a position that mimics a handstand. Now, lower the top of your head toward the ground by bending your elbows. Keep them at about 45 degrees from your body. Don't let your head touch the ground, but get close. Then press back up. And here's what most people don't understand. This position, this angle, this is where your shoulders are strongest and safest. Unlike a barbell overhead press where the bar path has to work around your face and the weight compresses your spine, Pike push-ups let your shoulders move naturally while building serious strength. Start with just 5 reps if that's all you can do. Each one should be controlled. Lower for 2 seconds. Press up for 2 seconds. Feel every inch of the movement. Work up to 8 reps, then 10, then 12. Want more challenge? Elevate your feet on a box or bench. The more vertical you get, the more weight goes to your shoulders. Eventually, you're building toward handstand push-ups against a wall, one of the ultimate displays of shoulder strength. This mid-range position, this is where you're building the foundation. By training here with control, you're strengthening the exact angles where most people fail overhead movements. 3 to 4 sets with full rest between each one. And then watch what happens to your shoulder strength and mobility. Movements that used to cause pain become easy. Your posture improves. You can reach overhead without discomfort. Number 5. Single leg glute bridges, the lower back pain eraser. Here's a reality check. How many people do you know who complain about lower back pain? Almost everyone over 40. And here's why. Their glutes have stopped working. They sit all day, their glutes shut off. Their lower back tries to compensate. And over time, that creates chronic pain that people think they just have to live with. But here's what's wild. Physical therapists use this exact exercise to rebuild people after back injuries. Athletes use it to prevent hamstring strains. What do they understand that most people don't? Strong glutes mean a healthy back. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Now extend one leg straight out in front of you, keeping it a few inches off the ground. Press through the heel of your planted foot and drive your hips up toward the ceiling. At the top, your body forms a straight line from your knee to your shoulder. Now here's the critical part. Squeeze your glute at the top like you're trying to crack a walnut with your butt cheek. Hold that squeeze for 2 full seconds, and here's the secret that changes everything. Don't just drop back down, lower yourself slowly. Take 3 seconds to descend. Feel your glute and hamstring controlling every inch of that movement. That slow lowering is where the real strength gets built. Your muscles learning to control weight under tension. Can't do it on one leg yet? Start with both feet down, build up your strength. Then progress to single leg. Even 5 reps per side builds serious hip strength. Next time, push for 8, then 10, then 12. The goal is control, and that hard squeeze at the top, not racing through reps. Your glutes are the foundation of your entire body. They stabilize your pelvis, they support your spine, they generate power for every lower body movement. Master this exercise and your lower back pain disappears. Your posture improves. You move with power and confidence. The complete system. Here's your routine. Dead hangs, 3 sets of 20 to 60 seconds. Deficit reverse lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Bear crawls, 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Pike push-ups, 3 sets of 5 to 12 reps. Single leg glute bridges, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg, 3 times per week. That's it, 25 to 30 minutes per session. 2 weeks in, you feel stronger. 4 weeks in, people notice your posture has changed. 8 weeks in, you look in the mirror and see muscle definition you didn't have before. Because bodyweight training teaches you something that machines never can. How to control your own body through space. How to build strength that looks good and functions when you need it. How to move without pain and with confidence. And here's what makes this approach different from everything else you've tried. You're not just building isolated muscles. You're teaching your entire body to work as one integrated system. Every exercise demands coordination, balance, and body awareness that traditional weightlifting completely misses. When you do a bicep curl, you're working one muscle. When you do a bear crawl, you're coordinating dozens of muscles simultaneously, building the neural pathways that make you actually strong in real life. The mental benefits are just as powerful. There's something deeply satisfying about mastering your own body weight. No equipment needed, no gym required, just you, gravity, and the determination to get better. This is the kind of strength that builds confidence. When you can support yourself in a pike push-up or hold a single leg bridge with perfect control, you know you've earned something real. Plus, your joints will thank you. Unlike heavy barbell work that compresses your spine and stresses your connective tissue, bodyweight exercises load your joints through natural ranges of motion. You're building strength while protecting your body for the long term. This is how you stay strong and pain-free well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. 5 exercises, 1 complete body, 0 excuses.